Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. In today's video, we are going to learn about exploratory testing, ad hoc testing, and the monkey testing. So first is the exploratory testing. The exploratory testing is randomly conducted on the software application without any requirement document or without any test cases. So this testing is conducted when the application is ready, but there is a no requirement document. In exploratory testing, we explore the application, understand application completely, and then test it. So while exploring the application, identify all the possible scenarios to be tested, document it, and then use it for the testing. So there are few drawbacks of exploratory testing. The first drawback is tester might misunderstood any feature as a bug or any bug as a feature since we do not have any requirement document. So let's take one example here to understand this point better. So there is a one login module in a software application. So there is a one username field, password field, and login button is there. And below that forget password link is there. But that forget password link or that forget password feature client don't want. That is not supposed to be in a requirement. But the developer developed that because normally in the login module that feature is available. So while testing the application or while exploring the application, tester might misunderstood this bug as a feature, but that is actually a bug because that is not the requirement of client. So this is the one drawback of exploratory testing. And exploratory testing is a time consuming process because first we have to explore the application, then identify the scenarios, then after that we have to conduct the testing. So it is a time consuming process. And if there is any bug in the application, you will never know about it because we don't have any requirement document or any test case document to refer. So these are the three drawbacks of exploratory testing. So in the exploratory testing, we explore the application, identify the scenarios. Based on that, we write a test case and then we will execute the test cases. So this will do in the exploratory testing. Next is a ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing means testing the application without any test cases or any business requirement document. And this is the informal type of testing. And the aim of ad hoc testing to break the system. To conduct the ad hoc testing, testers should have the knowledge of the application even though doesn't have the requirement document or test case document, but he should have the experience or the past experience. He should have done the testing for related application previously. So based on that, he can conduct the ad hoc testing. Next is a monkey testing. So the monkey testing means testing the application randomly without any test cases or business requirement document. And the monkey testing is an informal type of testing. And the aim of monkey testing is to break the system. And in the monkey testing, testers do not have any experience or any knowledge of the application. And the monkey testing is mostly suitable for gaming applications. So this is the comparison of ad hoc testing, monkey testing, and exploratory testing. So in all three testing, we don't have the requirement document or test case document. And all three are informal type of testing, means we don't have a plan or proper schedule for it. In ad hoc testing, tester should know the application. He should have the past experience, and in the past he has done the testing for related application. So based on that, he can conduct the ad hoc testing. And in the monkey testing and exploratory testing, testers don't know the application functionality. And all these three testings are randomly conducted on the software application. The intention of ad hoc testing and monkey testing is to break the system or find out the corner defects. And intention of exploratory testing to learn the application or explore the functionalities of an application. Ad hoc testing is suitable for any type of application, and the monkey testing is suitable for gaming application. And exploratory testing is suitable for any application which is new to the tester.